There's nothing like chillin' with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Divas, what's up divas, what's up divas and divos? Welcome back to my channel. You already know who it is. It's your favorite baddie, it's your favorite girl, A. Okay, you already know we're here to slay today. Amazon wigs. Okay, what's up y'all? What's up y'all? What's up everybody? Hope y'all all are having like a really great day when you're watching this video with your girl A. Okay, if you have never subscribed to this channel, girl, what you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button down below so that way every time I upload a video you'll be notified, and hit the notification bell as well. Go ahead and drop a comment so that way we all are in the know and in the diva family. Okay, so y'all already know this is one of my favorite wig companies. This is the budget friendly side of wigs. Okay, and nobody said you got to spend a whole lot of money to be extra cute, because you already know you already cute. Who don't want to be extra? I know I like to be extra. And with that being said, it's the pink box right here for me. Y'all already know Unice come through when they got 3 different outlets and probably even more where you can go ahead and shop at their Unice store. Okay, I ain't do nothing to this wig. It's still in the box, so we about to see what it look like. So you already know you're gonna get the wig in the box, and it also comes with a melting bands because you know you need one. And on top of that, you can never go wrong with the HD wig cap. So this is one of their 24-inch light yaki wigs. And girl, when I tell you they even provide tape, so that way you ain't got to worry, girl, they providing tape. And this wig is highlighted to the max and cute. Okay, what can I say? Unice be coming through. Get you a Unice wig. If you ain't never tried them, girl, here I am to tell you, get you a nice wig. Now she's already secured, strapped on, and ready to go. When I tell you she's pre-everything, she is pre-everything, everything. And don't look at my nails when I tell you the 5 5s. Pre-everything, pre-cut, pre-bleach, pre-style, and girl, what? Pre-approved. So maybe it's 4. I really want to say that it's 5, but I'll come back to y'all on that one, okay? Do you see the lace has already been cut for you? The knots are not knotting, okay? Look at this lace. When I tell you the lace is doing what it's supposed to, and if you're looking for security, well, baby, here is your security. It has a nape comb, adjustable strap, elastic band inside, so that way you can make her as tight as possible. A comb on each side, baby, you getting 3 combs. You definitely gonna be secure, and a drawstring. Who don't want a drawstring? I know you want one. Go ahead and see Unice here. You can get your drawstring wig. So let's put them on real quick and be out the door because I got things to do. I'm pretty sure you do as well. Baby, I think I can just let go.
I get it, I get it. I guess I get it now. Life is taking enough from me. Think I just need security. Yeah. So crazy how anything can happen. Hedging my bets so desperately. Building sand castles on the calm seas. Looking for a guarantee. Can't get out my own way. I'm laying it safe. I'm holding so tight and choking my grace. Leaving no room for mistakes. It's the illusion of control. Can't take it with you when you go. And holding on won't help it grow. Can't take it with you when you go. Might as well learn and lose control. The sun rises and it sets every day without my help. I can just rest assured. Of course, heaven knows best. Every second my heart beats is a reminder. There's a creator keeping keeping me safer than the illusion of control. Can't take it with you when you go. When holding on won't help you grow. Help you grow. Can't take it with you when
Girl,
you
what?
go.
Like, y'all cannot tell me that this wig is not A1. This is definitely giving sexy, sophisticated, put together, cute. I like this. This wig, I am really, really liking, okay? I don't know if it's because of the way I curled it, because y'all don't really see me curling my hair with my flat iron. The flat iron was definitely giving bouncy and stay in your lane curls. Parting is definitely there in this unit. The edges, I did pull a little bit of the hairs out on the edges, only because I didn't want them so close to the edges. The highlight is everything. The texture is perfect. If you love a good light yaki or yaki unit, you definitely have to check out Unice. When I tell you that they come through with the everything, girl, they come through with the everything. I ain't got to tell you how cute she is, but she is definitely giving cuteness, okay? This hair is definitely flowing, really pretty, very manageable, easy to put on. I love the color. I love the highlights. Unice comes through with the best of the best of the best for less. Okay, girl, we slay every day like it's our B-day, okay? I love y'all. Check the deets down below. Leave a comment. Let's keep this going so that way we could pop up in the algorithm. Girl, Christmas is about to come. We definitely need those coins, okay? I love y'all, and I'll see y'all in the next one.
Learn to lose control. Can't take it with you when you go.